Welcome to this tutorial on how to rename a drive on your Windows operating system. In this video, we'll show you how to change the name of any drive to something that suits you better. First, press the Win key and the E key together on your keyboard to open File Explorer. Click on This PC in the panel to the left. This will display all the drives currently available on your system. Select the drive you want to rename from the list of drives displayed below, Devices and Drives. This will highlight the drive and indicate that it is selected. Click on the Computer tab at the top of the File Explorer window. This will display the Computer Management Options panel at the top of the screen. Click on the Rename option, which is the third option at the top of the page. It has an icon that resembles a blue bar graph with a text cursor over it. Type a new name for the drive in the field provided and press Enter. This will change the name of the drive. And that's it. You now know how to rename a drive on your Windows operating system. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share this video. Thank you for watching.